In the last video, we made some colorful Jackson Pollock style proof of concept prototypes, but in the process decided that we should take a more restrained approach so that it doesn't clash with the artwork. Jean mocked up some designs on her phone and narrowed down to two options. We decided to go for a subtle approach with specks of orange, brush strokes of blue, and some gray layers as the background. I finished up the formwork, which is made from MDF and timber strips that were pin-nailed together and covered in box tape. The formwork comes in three parts: a polypropylene sheet on a table, the outer frame which is held together by clamps, an inner frame which is held together with pin nails. Jean mixed up some small batches of pigment for the decorative elements and then applied the designs to the polypropylene sheet and the sides of the outer form. Once Jean was happy with the designs, we lifted the inner frame into position. We mixed up some bigger batches of Jesmonite and one by one poured them into the moat. We also dropped in some metal L brackets, essentially coat hangers bent into L shapes, into the wet Jesmonite to reinforce the corners. We let the frame dry for 24 hours and then started by removing the inner frame. To make the process easier, I cut the frame into 4 parts and reassembled them using little braces that were held in place with pin nails. Using a flathead screwdriver, we pried the braces off and the frames came apart relatively easily. The outside frame popped off very easily. The box tape works perfectly for this and leaves a nice smooth final surface.
So beautiful.
I think it's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kat? What do you think?
I'm not mad at these strokes, the brush strokes.
Oh, you shook your paw. You don't like it. She doesn't like it. I sanded the edges to remove any sharp corners and the frame was ready for assembly. The frame is an L-shaped profile. I cut a piece of perspex down to size and dropped it into the groove. Next, I cut some timber strips to size and pin nailed them to the frame. We're going for a float mount, which uses a 5mm foam core back panel with a 5mm foam core spacer, so Jean cut some down to size, and we attached the art piece to the spacer using acid-free archival double-sided tape. The back panel is held in place with little screws for easy access if needed. Jean and I am really happy with the result, and hope to make more frames in the future. If you enjoyed this video, I recommend you check out this video where we make Jesmonite counters for a bakery, or this video series where we design and make a dowel wall for my sister and her partner. Catch you later.